as I asked last week, that one can remain short on crude oil till the time it trades below 110, and then the target is going to be 104, which is going to be a strong support, and then 102 and 101 levels should come into picture. Precisely it achieved 101 and bounced back sharply also. Now see, this is the bottom of this channel, and this is the expanding triangle in which US oil is trading. Now what is going to happen next week, which position we should take, where to enter, where to exit, what should be our strategy to make profit, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. And in the end, I will give you the trading strategy and trading level. So do watch till the end, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new, let me share that I also share my daily analysis on US crude along with natural gas and other commodities daily early morning with the Asia session. So do watch that also. And if you are interested into gold, silver, oil, indices including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany or Nifty, you can watch those analysis as well. So press the bell icon, stay tuned. Let's start the day with the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you will find that oil has perfectly respected this downward support or lower support of this channel, and it retraced from 101 levels. I had told you, yes, 100 levels, $100 levels is going to be a very strong resistance. We have seen multiple candles giving it a support. If it trades below $100 level next week, you can definitely remain short. Then the next destination in between the zone, that is 88 to 92, it can try to achieve these levels once, and then we can see a good drop, else it may try to trade sideways till then. Also, if you look at the last candle, see the previous candle, a stronger body, and this time it gave a very small body, hence indicative that the bulls are not there in control and it is trying to bounce back again. So I'll be cautious that a smaller body and a move above 110 111 levels will be again indication that it may try to move or give you a little upward or bullish move till towards 114 115, and then 116 is also probable. Beyond that, it is going to fly for 120. So I'll be watchful of that. At the same time, as I shared, 104, 105, 4.5 levels, if it trades below this, yes, you can expect it to drop more, and we may see lower lows, and this time it may try to breach $100 levels. So this is another probability. Now we have seen the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. See, on the monthly charts, higher lows, higher highs, indicative of a sideways movement. Now it is still trading in this upward bullish channel. So oil has perfectly honored this, and a breakout next month below this zone, below this channel and the level of $100, you can expect that it is going to give you further fall next month. I will be watchful of this, but right now it appears it is trying to keep itself within this channel itself, which is giving you higher lows and lower highs, and hence $100 levels is going to be a very strong support, and only if it breaks $100 levels I will consider that as a bearish move, and I will expect further more drop, else it may try to trade when it in between this. The next resistance is definitely there at around 115 116, which may try to this will make oil monthly candle to end in a doji, which is right now at around 116, the closing of the month at around 116 levels. So I will be watchful of that. This is on the monthly charts. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts, you can clearly find 103 104 zone giving it a very strong support despite a breakout till towards 101. Now it is trying to reverse, and this is the second green candle now. And yes, also if you consider this, it is trying to trade in this. Any drop below 104 levels next week, yes, you can go short, and then you can expect $100 level. At the same time, a breakout beyond 108 will definitely try to take it towards 110, and then we will see this. See, first of all, this is the lows of this channel on the 4-hour charts, and this is a bearish channel. So yes, if you see it trading beyond 110, then you can go short for 114 115 and 116 levels, and as I said, we will see a closer in doji for the monthly candle. So this is what we can see on the daily charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, clearly observant that it is trying to create a new channel of its own, trying to trade in this, but at the same time one must not forget how beautifully, let me zoom in a bit, how beautifully 103 104 levels has provided a very strong support zone. With that as support, it is tried to rise, and yes, lower highs have been seen. So I'll be watchful. Any breakout beyond 108 next week, yes, you can go long as I shared. Then 109 and 110 will come into picture, which is a very strong resistance, and any move beyond 110 is going to be considered as a reversal, and we can expect 112, 114 and 116 levels. At the same time, now look at the 4-hour charts. It is formed the double top. It is trying to trade with a drop, but the new candle has just started, so I'll be watchful. If it breaks below this zone, specifically 105, you can go short for 104, 103. 103 is a very strong support, and if it trades below 103, you can expect it to drop till towards $100. So this is what we can see on the 4-hour charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. Are the indicators also suggestive of same, or we are having a different story? Now look at the 4-hour chart there. The support there at 106, and then 105 is going to be strong, and if it breaks below 105, you can expect it to drop for 104, 103. There are supports at 104 and 103 zone. You have to be watchful of that, and above 108 definitely we can go long. The oscillator has traded in a red zone till now. It is trying to cross over for a bullish move. The directional movement is also in the greener side of it. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish, but it appears it has seen the high there. That is what it is trying to stabilize here. So we may see a couple of red candles and then a bounce back. The RSI trading flat here. The stochastic is overbought now, so hence you can expect a little drop there on the 4-hour charts. Now coming back to the daily charts here. On the daily chart, the 100 period moving average and the 200 period moving average lying at around 105 and 108, it is giving it a very strong resistance. So this is the 100 period moving average, this is the 200 period moving average, giving it a very strong resistance for any upward move. If it trades below beyond 108, you can expect 110 and 111 levels. This is the 50 period moving average. These levels should provide a stronger resistance for any upside move, and if it trades beyond this, then directly it will land for 114 levels, the next resistance zone. So be watchful. I will be watchful of 108 and 110. Then beyond that, definitely oil will fly. Also look at on the daily charts. It is trading in the bearish zone now. It is trading in the sell zone now. It has achieved the high. I'll watch for the first candle, and from there it may start converging and crossover for another bullish move. What I mean to say is this: it may try to converge from here, and look at the directional movement. It is trying to converge already, and it is trying to look forward to a bullish move. The MACD has also seen the bottom there. It has also seen a good fall, and it is extremely divergent from here. The convergence must start, and hence you can expect a little rise. This is my expectation for oil. The RSI is looking upwards. The stochastic is oversold, and it is also trying to rise from here. So it appears we can expect a little bullish move in oil from here. And if you look at the weekly charts, there is a stronger support there at 105 levels, 105, 104 levels, the 20 and 50 period moving average coming together here, and then you can also see these levels, these line are giving it stronger support since few months. So be watchful of this. Below $100 levels, definitely a stronger resistance will come into picture. And see, on the weekly charts, we have seen a first red candle. I'll be watchful. It can try to give you another red candle. There is a possibility of a crossover on the directional movement, and it is possible that it may try to cross over for a sell entry. Also, the MACD has just crossed over, and this is the first red candle here, indicative of little more bearishness in the coming days. RSI looking downwards, stochastic was overbought, and suddenly it started looking downwards with the one red candle and the second follow-up candle. Now look at the monthly candle. On the downside, the support zone is far away till towards 80 and 60 levels. So I'll be watchful of next month. Next month we may see a further more drop. If it trades below $100 levels, definitely a drop will come. Now look at oil. Oil has seen a high here at oscillator. Probably the red candles must appear from here. On the monthly chart, the directional movement is also divergent and bearish. The MACD is also wide divergent. MACD is bullish here, and that is what is contradictory of what we can see on the other charts. Similarly, RSI was overbought. Now it must start to fall. So oil may start looking for a drop from next month onwards. In my prediction, I'll be looking forward to $92 and $80 levels soon. In next couple of months, we may see oil cooling down. So this is what we can see on the with the help of indicators. Now let me give you the trading levels for next week. And yes, those who look forward to a forward contract for next month, I think probably next month also we may see it dropping, but I'll be watchful of $100. So if it trades below $100 levels, definitely you can buy the lower end side contract of $80 or $90, whichever is preferred to you for the next month expiry. But before that, let's have a look at the levels. And yes, before I give you the levels, three main points to watch out for. First, always trade with a stop loss, always trade with a trailing stop loss, that is preferred, and close your trade in at, see, if you are not put a trailing stop loss, which helps you to close your trade in event of a swing or a reversal, it helps you to close your trade in profit. Else, if you put a stop loss, you can put a shift it to cost or entry price. Whenever you see your trade is in profit, you can shift it your trade to your entry price or cost, which this will definitely help you prevent or preserve your capital. Once your capital is preserved, definitely you can trade a number of times. But once it's a loss, definitely it will, you know, what we do, we close the trade in little profits, and we always keep the trade once it is in larger loss. So, and yes, we always close that in loss. So this is how 99% of the traders do. So you have to improve this, you have to put your stop loss at cost always. Now, second point, don't give any money to anyone on my name. There are many imposers spamming on my name on Telegram and other social media platform, asking money, giving you lucrative deals of a enormous 400 500% returns in just couple of days or a week. So please don't believe this. Nothing of such sort happens, nothing of such sort exists. Yes, I can give you signals, I can ensure there is a profit, but not to 400 500%, and there is no promise or guarantee for a return of this sort in just a couple of days. So be watchful of this, apply your brain, do not pay anything to anyone. And yes, if you want to join or my mentorship batch, which is a 15-day session, and want to get the learnings, and or if you want to go join the signals, you can directly contact me on my email and Telegram. My email and Telegram official handles are mentioned in the channel and video description, and once you get a confirmed response from my end, then only please proceed with the payment and join the batch. So this is what the next part is. Now let me give you the trading levels for next week. And next week, if you see oil trading beyond 108.2, you can go long for 110, 111.6, 113.5, and then 114.4 levels. So yes, if you see it trading beyond this, we can, so there is going to be a resistance in till this zone 114.5, and then the next target is 116. Any move beyond 116 will be considered as a sharp bullish move, which will try to take it towards upside. I hardly find that it is going to happen, but these are markets, anything is possible. Above this 120 is the next resistance. In between that, we may see a little blocks or hurdles too, but till here 113.5 we have to be cautious. At the same time, on the downside, if you see it trading below 105 levels, see below 105 there is a resistance at 100. See, I'll before I directly jump into there, yes, 104 and 103.5, be watchful of these two levels, and then 103. Rather, I will say be watchful of these three levels on the downside. If it breaks below 103, you can expect again 101 and $100. Below 100, you will expect that there is going to be sharp drop, which will try to take it towards 97, 95 levels. So be watchful till 103. Till 103, yes, you can expect a little bounce back again. So in between, largely I expect 103 and 113.5 levels should provide a very strong move there, and it can try to swing in between these levels. So this is how you can trade profitably at every milestone. You have to close your trade there, book the profits, and re-enter if you see it trading in the same direction. Don't wait for it to give you a larger move. First, small profits, little profits definitely help you become or increase your portfolio. So yes, take the book the smaller profits and enjoy your trades. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.